All right, guys, today I am here in Lansdowne on the Potomac in Leesburg, across from Ashburn in Loudoun County, one of my favorite neighborhoods. We're going to take a look at the 7-bedroom, 5.5 bath house and going to show you what 1.9, actually a smidge under 1.9 is going to get you here in Loudoun County. So let's take a look. So this is just main level foyer, the front doors behind me. This is the living room. So I'm going to move over here into the dining room. What I'm going to do is just kind of go back to the left to kind of show you. There's a lot of house to see today. So I'm literally just making a little loop. So we have two beautiful curved staircases. You'll see the older one shortly. But again, front door is behind me. And here we have the powder room. I'm going to show you to the left of the staircase, we have this awesome office space right here, beautifully done. The coat closet here. You're going to find many closets. This house has a lot of storage. And here we have the sunroom. Let's keep moving. Got another closet. There's a dining room I was showing you a second ago. And here we are back in the kitchen. Got quartz countertops. Beautiful smart herringbone, just nice, timeless glass tile on the backsplash. Now the garage is through this door, but I'm going to show you all the thoughtful touches, the built-ins here, the desk. Give you a quick view of the backyard. I can get the door open. So it is super private back here. You could either add a deck, or there has been talk that there is room to put a pool in. Or keep moving. Another closet. I'm not kidding when I say there's tons of storage, tons of thoughtful cabinetry. Laundry on the main level here. Very well thought out. Got your side entrance. And here is the two-car garage. It is the real deal. It's high ceilings. You can fit 2 SUVs or trucks in here. Still have room for storage and your garbage cans. You did just walk through the butler's pantry. And we're going to make our way upstairs. Up this pretty curved staircase. I'm going to show off the chandelier here too. This is kind of a sweeping view of upstairs. Another beautiful light fixture. What I'm going to go do is go to the first bedrooms before we hit the primary, because I'm saving that for last. So bedroom number 1. All the bedrooms have a ceiling fan. This bedroom has a walk-in closet. Of course, I forgot to turn the light on. So walk-in closet, bedroom number 1. And this bedroom has an ensuite bath. It's actually a Jack and Jill. So full bath, number 1. And we are kind of just sneaking into bedroom number 2. This is a bedroom with vaulted ceilings. Now the closet in this bedroom is a little smaller, but it is what it is. Bedroom number 3. Smaller closet, same as the last one, but I'm walking us through the other full bath. And again, this is also a Jack and Jill. This brings us to the next bedroom. This closet's a little larger. And now what I did is actually just swing back into the hallway. Linen closet. And here is my favorite. This is not a primary bedroom. This is a primary retreat. I would never leave this place. I've said that in my other videos because it just warrants that opinion. And I have many of them. We're going to see how thoughtfully these closets were done, almost like a California closets in each. So we have 2 walk-in closets. There's 1. This is number 2. I would just call dibs on both. That's just me. And here is the primary spa bath. We did a nice job with the tile choices, the niche, a beautiful job with the double vanities. Soaking tub. Again, these are actually soft close. Yes, you saw me in the mirror. No production team today. Just wanted to see, well, I wanted you to see this house because it has been renovated top to bottom. And I don't think any details have been spared. We're going to go up this staircase. This is where the bonus room is, or loft. Use this as an office flex space or entertaining having guests because there is another full bathroom up here. And a walk-in closet. Now what is housed back here is another HVAC unit. A house this large is going to need a couple of HVAC units, at least 2. This one has 3. So we thank the sellers for that. We're going to get ourselves to the lower level. But first, we're going to go to the great room, which I left out when we first walked in, because I just wanted to give you a full effect. So here is the great room. It's pretty great. Stone fireplace, Palladian windows. And guys, today is not very sunny, but the amount of light that comes into this house is unmatched due to the amount of windows, tons of recessed lighting. They did it right. So We're going to get down here, and the lower level is just as bright. Doesn't feel like a dungeon. It's also a walkout level. So we have another fireplace here. And they were waiting for us. They knew I was coming. There's a bar. You can walk out to the back by this door. So here we have a large room with even more storage space. This is where the second HVAC is housed. I'm a dork when it comes to systems. I need to know the age of all the systems and the roof. Sump pump. We love a good sump pump. And while you might think this is a closet, it is actually a third HVAC unit, and the water heater is here. Now let's get to more fun parts of this area. Oh, look, another closet. So here's the fun part. This was their wine cellar. It was full of wine bottles. I'm not going to take it personally that they didn't leave me a bottle as a kind gesture. That's okay. It's their loss. Oh, look, more storage. Got dual electrical panels, which is what you need for a house of this size. Let's swing around here. Another closet slash pantry or linen closet, because we have another full bath down here. And another room. And this has a larger walk-in closet down here. This is truly one of my favorite homes here in Lansdowne on the Potomac. My information is going to be in the descriptions. You can call, text, book an appointment with me via Calendly. That link will be in there. And that is it for today, guys. If you have any questions about this house or any other house in the DC metro area, get in touch.